Well, hello, Caitlin. How are you today?
I'm good.
You're good?
Uh-huh.
Do you want to talk to me about essential oils tonight?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Well, let's ask a few questions. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay. Can you tell me what your favorite oil is?
Lavender.
Lavender. Do you want to show me the bottle?
Yeah, this is lavender.
It's lavender.
And it's purple.
It is purple.
So I have my only oil on top in Sissy's bed. So it's my favorite.
It's your favorite? Why is it your favorite?
Because I like it because I'm put stuff on something. I have an owie and put stuff in it.
Wow. Do you like the way it smells too?
Yeah.
Yeah. When do you use lavender?
So I was talking about I have my birthday yesterday on the hippo a lot of days, so I almost have gift 5 and I almost have like OC like Sissy have.
Yeah.
I was just talking about that.
Yeah. So what time do you put lavender on? When do you put lavender on?
On some of my seats.
When you go to sleep?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Where do you put it? Do you roll it on?
Or somebody on our foot.
On your feet?
Yeah.
Okay.
2 feet.
On both your feet?
Uh-huh.
Do you put other oil on too?
Or in my arms too.
Yeah. Do you put any other oil
In
on?
our nose.
And your nose?
In our shirt.
Yeah. What other oil do you like?
And just our knees too.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Is there another oil that you
Wait,
like?
Jamie,
Yeah.
can you fix this?
Yeah, we'll fix it in a minute. Do you want to finish?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there another oil that you like too?
No, just lavender.
Just lavender? It's your favorite.
And stress away.
Stress away?
Just lavender. That's my favorite.
That's your favorite.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for talking with me about oils today.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.